Radio SI Main Stage.
With the things you started, they never last too long. Don't you see your bricks, you're not alone. Give us a place we wanted, and not the last we'll see. That's not the change you're after, it's not the change you said will be. With the things we all belong, together strong we can become. Wait for those who want us all. And all these years we didn't see, that's when we realized we're caught astray. It will set us straight, that's how it's supposed to be. We are the ones who started this mess, this digital fight. We had the power to make it right. They took away our freedom, they took away our pride. If we can take the beating, we can make our future bright. We're for things we all belong, together strong we can become. We're for those who want us all, who want us all. All these years we didn't see, that's who we realize. We are caught astray, it will set us free. It's how it's supposed to be. No one can shut those voices, no one can hold us down. It's us to stand against, we stand our ground. We're not the bunch of cowards they want us to be. We'll take back what is ours, our mind will set us free. We're the things we all belong, together strong we can become. We're for those who want us all, who want us all. And all these years we didn't see, that's who we realize. We are caught astray, if we stand astray, it's how it's supposed to be. With things you started, they never last too long. Don't you see your bricks, you're not alone. Give us the place we wanted, and not the last we'll see. That's not the change you're after, it's not the change you said would be. We're for things we all belong, together strong we can become. We're for those who want us all. And all these years we didn't see, that's who we realize. We are caught astray, it will set us right. That's how it's supposed to be. All right.
Main Stage.
How we feeling?
Radio SI Main Stage.